Now, Mr. Drew Neka say, last year, Telecel Music Awards. Oh, Chesenka, ono na win sa category na no ne Kidi wono. Na minim de nti afe ne ne wa be ba be chichi mu de nti ohunu ne se ono e na nanke wo so win no. Yonkotie Mr. Drew sama okay.
Last year, as you sport there for stage talk, because people were talking about your performance, it was one of the highlights of the night.
Yeah.
Big highlights of the night. You can't talk about performance and forget about Mr. Drew. But you lost out to Collaboration of the Year award to Kidi at the TGMA. And we all saw the series of events that happened after that. I mean, do you think you were cheated?
Do I think I was cheated? I felt like I had to win.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't. As of whether I was cheated yet.
No. But you felt like you had to win.
Yeah, I felt like the song had to win.
Because
Charlie, we did perform the numbers.
The numbers.
Yeah, and then we did perform the tune for everywhere, every corner. People they sing the song. You get it? Yeah. So, Charlie.
Has that affected your relationship with Kidi in any way, shape, and form?
I don't think so, no. We always meet, we just talk. Yeah, me and Kidi be cool. Yeah.
Sure.
We never took it personal at any point in time. And if you look at our banters and stuff on, I wouldn't say banters.
Do you believe
we just throw, it's just funny. And me, I like trolling too, and he likes trolling too.
Kidi, the professional.
Yeah.
We go pull up some old documents. Come. He said,
yeah, he like trolling. I mean, I like it like that. But he's my brother. We're cool.
He's not grown up here. Nyabufu. Sana here. Inti Mr. Drew na babichi. On the no who no pass and ka kulabo the other day na ke dia. Then so ye de Emma Kidi. And what you know. Bia ye boko ntokwa nim mema ntokwa sa o ka che na de nso a che wa je o bank by now yesi hu nkunya nyina ti ma mo mi esesa ya dwe ne enyima nso mfiri